So I would say that like once you create the report in Power BI, the end product that you should look for is the dashboard. That is what we were trying to actually create, isn't it? But whatever we saw so far is not actually a dashboard, but just a report that you have created. And now in order to showcase your data, you can use dashboard feature in Power BI. So how to do that? Let's see it. So in Power BI service, once you go into that, in your workspace, you will find your report that you had already published. So once you click on that, you can click on these three dots and then click pin to dashboard. It will ask you whether it is new or existing. You can select new dashboard and enter the dashboard name as Power BI demo. Just a sec. Power BI demo. And then click on pin live. So now your report have been pinned onto dashboard. You can click on create a mobile layout because you can also view the dashboards on Power BI app in mobile phones. In order to get Power BI application on your mobile phone, you can go to App Store and search Power BI. So for now, we will try to add the visualization or the report onto the dashboard. So we'll click on go to dashboard. Now the dashboard have been created and you can see the sign of the dashboard, right? And this is report. You can just check the sign or the logo for the report. So now what we will try to do is, once the dashboard is done, you will try to open in full screen mode when you are presenting it. So this will help to see the data in full size, which will help the viewers to check the details properly. Yeah, so this is the end product, that is the dashboard that you should share in order to showcase your data, which will help you to present in a better way. So I hope you all got it. If you have any questions, as I mentioned, you can use the Q&A section of Udemy, or you can connect with me on LinkedIn. Thank you so much, guys. We will now see the next sessions.